Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be classifying iris flowers using the Scikit-Learn and machine learning in Python. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So first thing we're going to have to do is import our libraries. Right, let's run this, see if we made any errors. Looks good. So we've imported NumPy for numerical operations, pandas for data handling, and a few specific tools from Scikit for model building and performance evaluation. So now let's load the iris dataset that comes with the preloaded Scikit and take a peek at our data. All right, make sure this works. Looks good. So what we just did was load the iris dataset and convert it into a pandas data frame for easier manipulation, and then just printed out the first few rows to get a glimpse at some of our data. All right, so next, let's prepare our data for the model. We'll divide it into features, or X, and our target variable, which will be Y. And then we'll also split our dataset into training and testing datasets. Right, looks good. Let's run this. All right, so essentially what we've just done is assigned our feature columns to X and our target column to Y. We've also split the data into a training set, which we'll use to train our model, and a test set, which we'll use to evaluate the model's performance. All right, so now that the data is prepared, we're ready to actually train our model. For this task, we use the k nearest neighbors, KNN algorithm, and so yeah, let's create our classifier and fit it into our training data. Right, so we've created our KNN classifier specifying 3 as the number of neighbors. After that, we fitted our model to the training data, and now our model has been trained and is ready to make predictions. So now let's use our newly trained model to make predictions on our tested data. Afterwards, we'll evaluate the model's performance by looking at the confusion matrix and the accuracy score. So what we've done here is asked our model to predict the iris species for our test set and then printed out the confusion matrix, which shows us the model's hits and misses by comparing the predicted values with the actual values. We've also calculated the accuracy score, which is the proportion of correct predictions over total predictions. This gives us a numerical measure of our model performance. So an accuracy score of 1 means that it was almost perfect. So, yep. So yep, that'll be it for this video. We've successfully built a model to classify iris species using the KNN algorithm and the Scikit-Learn. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, drop a like, and we'll catch you in the next one.